Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Triarti Ningsi, student number 19 from class 4BC. Today I will present about the screenplay as text, academic scriptwriting as creative research, journal from practice and theory of creative writing, author Dallas G. Baker, volume number 13, issue number 1, publication year 2016, page 71 until 84. Abstract. Screenwriting in the academy is an emerging research area. To date, it has been difficult to study screenwriting activity in higher education settings, not least because few academic journals publish screenplays. This is largely because scripts written in the academy have not been seen as research or as fully fledged creative works worthy of publication. Introduction. There has been a persistent idea that scripts are not standalone works but merely blueprints for the films or television programs based on them. The situation is now changing, with a number of academic journals publishing screenplays as creative research and treating scripts as text in themselves, irrespective of production. This article explores the reason behind the marginal position of screenwriting in the academy, which includes discipline bias and argues for the repositioning of screenwriting as a valid and valuable creative and research practice. The article argues that the outcomes of this creative research, the screenplays themselves, should be treated as creative research texts in their own right that are deserving of publication irrespective of any staging of or production. Next, the academic screenplay. The academy has responded to the desire for screenplays to be recognized as a valid form of research by developing opportunities for the publication of screenplays as research artifacts. For example, New Writing, the International Journal for the Practice and Theory of Creative Writing, is a scholarly outlet that routinely publishes creative works as research. And although these works tend to be in the form of prose or poetry, in 2007, the journal published a short comedy screenplay called Tom, Dick, and Harry. Screenplays that have been produced as films can also function as research artifacts. To this end, it is important to outline that each screenplay published in text has a 2,000-character statement that applicates the research background, contribution, and significance of the work, as one would be expected to provide for research evaluation purposes in Australia. As Crowd, not about all creative research works published in text, referred papers will draw on a sound framework of methodology and scholarship relevant to the paper's topic, although this may include personal experience and or anecdotal evidence where relevant to the argument and where this is supported by scholarly literature. Creative work will be accepted for referring if it makes a distinctive contribution to knowledge that extends the current scholarly literature in the field and is accompanied by a 250-word exegetical statement for publication that makes this case. The statement will indicate the research significance of the creative piece and will follow the ERA guidelines on this element. In the context of the research degree, then we feel it important to approach screenwriting as a research practice rather than a professional practice in order that the domain of the work is clearly established. In short, so the screenplay work may find a place in the industry at some stage during candidature. It should only be understood as existing in the academy. Its purpose for a research degree is to enable, embody, and or explicate research, and even if that research is about the industry, the screenplay is conceived, developed, and examined under academic research conditions. And then conclusion. One key aspect required to make this possible, and especially to build bridge between the academy and industry, is the question of knowledge that speaks directly about practice, and which one be felt by those outside of the academy as well as inside it. This is described in some way by Gibson, who calls for written explication of research that can be read, understood, and ideally put into action by their relevant communities. When you have been in the studio, you have a story to tell, you have journey into experience, and you have an account to offer about how the heuristic process of acknowledgement processed through action and repercussion. The story of what happened in the making of the artwork is additional to the work that you can exhibit. Think of this account as a research report. It is the explication of what has been learned and earned as you survive the experience. It is the means whereby a scholarly community can be formed, and although takes it now, how that has been occurred in the creative process can be made somewhat communicable through language. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.